Warm wishes to all. My name is Yashi Roila and I am a student of grade 10, Akshara Vaagdevi International School. Today the students of grade 10 are going to perform a skit. I hope you all will enjoy it and will also gain something from it. Let's begin.
So, good morning students. Good morning, sir. I think everyone must be prepared with the homework which I have assigned in the previous class. Gav, are you prepared?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Actually, I forgot.
Okay, no worries. I think everyone must be prepared with the homework.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I think it says. So first, as you know the topic, let us begin with the global village. So, I request Arnav and his team to come and take forward.
Today, I am going to tell about roads. Roads are the routes that help in moving from one place to another. The roads of our village are made up of small stones, sand, and bitumen, which is used for road paving and roofing material. This will prevent from fatal accidents during the monsoon seasons.
Today I am going to talk on sewage system. A French drain is the most well-known type of outdoor drainage system. Regardless of what the pipe is made of, it must be slotted or perforated at regular intervals to allow water to enter and flow through the system.
I'm going to speak about schools. In our schools, we will boost free education, bring innovative teaching methods and promote computer literacy.
Just as my friends have explained about the road, sewage system, electricity and water, hospitals and school, we see that these all are interlinked with the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. We hope to see our village in the same way in the future. Thank you.
So, I think everyone understood about global village. So, let's applaud them. Okay, everyone please calm down. Now, let's continue about global cities. I request Vatsala and his team to come forward.
Today I am going to talk about metros. There should be increasing number of coaches in each train. There should be maintained metros. There's free Wi-Fi and braille plates for the travelers with disabilities. And there should be public washrooms, shops, banks and takeaway food outlets inside many stations or close to their exit.
Is going to say about IoT. IoT is Internet of Things. Smart cities use IoT devices such as connected sensors, lights and meters to collect and analyze data. The cities then use the data to improve infrastructure, public utilities and services.
My topic is conservation of energy. So we conserve energy by using public transports, bicycle lanes and sharing, hybrid cars, green space, solar panels and waste management.
Today, I'm going to speak about global companies. If you see, the startup communities and ecosystem are more vibrant and widespread than ever. Their contribution towards the economic growth and job creations are well documented. With the announcement of new computers and software policies in 1984, imports and exports of hardware and software were liberalized. Ties were built with American companies. And today, many Indians work in the MNCs, multinational companies. Like example, you can take Wipro, Infosys and etc.
Today I am going to speak about occupying lands. Even in the 21st century, the lands which are not suitable for agriculture are considered to be wastelands and garbage is being dumped there instead of recycling them. This won't be the problem in our city.
And I am going to conclude about global cities, which consist luxurious metros, more usage of IoTs, conservation of energy, usage of green global companies and decrease in occupying land. We aim to build a green future for a better and improvised future for which following SDG goals is highly recommended.